Welcome to your News Ticker Central, your place for technology and gadget top lists, must-haves and reviews. Before we begin, please take a second to subscribe. Now that you have subscribed, let's begin. LG is far from new to dual-screen smartphones, but the company has just officially unveiled its most daring solution in its class, the LG Wing. This is the first device released as part of the Explorer project, designed to innovate the user environment. The company says that the new smartphones are all the same, they look more or less the same and offer the same in general. But this is not the case. The new phone takes inspiration from LG's current dual-screen smartphone trends, the G8X ThinQ and Velvet, as well as the classic LG VX9400 swivel phone launched over 10 years ago. LG Wing will be the first device under the new LG Explorer project brand to breathe new life into the way smartphones work. The Wing's most interesting feature is, of course, the dual OLED panels. The first is a standard 6.8-inch OLED main screen, 2460x1080, without any bezels or notches. The second is a 3.9-inch OLED display, 1240x1080, located under the main display, making the Wing a unique device. Instead of folding two full-size, or one flexible, panels together, the main display here swivels and rises to reveal a second screen, transforming the smartphone into a kind of T. LG has big ambitions for the functionality this new format can deliver. The idea is that in rotary mode the main display is used for the main task, and the second serves as an additional window for launching a separate application or simply advanced controls. For example, LG suggests using an additional panel to control the camera, freeing the main display from the clutter of settings. And when viewing photos, thumbnails are displayed at the bottom, and full-size images at the top. The large swivel screen can be used under the massive widescreen keyboard for easy chatting. Video apps can use the second display to control media and volume, and YouTube can respond to comments while watching the video at the same time. However, much of the functionality will depend on the activity of third-party developers who are unlikely to rush to take advantage of the exclusive secondary display. But there are also scenarios that do not require optimizations and developer involvement. You can use the two screens simply to run two apps at the same time, play a mobile game on the main dashboard and stream it online to friends and fans using the second display, or tweet while streaming the last soccer game. In the expanded mode, you can configure the arrival of incoming calls on the second screen so as not to interrupt the current task. Wing does not have to be used in landscape format only. LG is also promoting the ability to use the main display in a standard portrait all-in-one mode, in which case the extended panel serves as a sort of secondary display. For example, when using the navigator, you can simultaneously read the latest news or work with documents. The second display can be switched to holder mode and simply used as a pen without worrying about accidentally pressing controls. This is convenient when shooting videos or watching movies. The rotary mechanism of the company seemed a little. LG decided to use a retractable front 32MP camera. At first glance, there is a usual triple camera at the back. There is a 64-megapixel main sensor with an f1.8 aperture and optical stabilization and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide angle. The first hint of unusualness is the second 12-megapixel ultra-wide angle module. The unique Wing format for holding, an additional set of sensors, as well as the aforementioned two ultra-wide angle sensors made it possible to implement an effective software stabilization of video recording, called Gimbal mode. The company claims the quality and functionality are close to that of hardware solutions like the DJI Osmo Mobile. In particular, you can change the angle of inclination of the shooting and enable tracking of the subject. By the way, Wing supports simultaneous recording of video from the front and rear cameras. This function can be very useful for video bloggers. Obviously, with so many moving parts, there are many concerns about strength and durability. LG says it is aware of them and promises that Wing will withstand heavy use. The device guarantees 200,000 turns and also offers IP54 protection against moisture and dust. The company is working on cases that will be compatible with a swivel design, which requires slightly more work than a traditional phone case. As for the rest, LG Wing's hardware is quite ordinary. There is a Snapdragon 765G processor with an integrated Qualcomm X52 modem for 5G support, 8GB of RAM, 256GB of fast memory, plus the ability to use microSD cards, a battery with a charging capacity of 4000 mAh, a fingerprint sensor under the main screen and support for wireless charging. The second display has certainly increased the thickness and weight of the device, but not as much as, say, the standalone full-size screens that LG has used in the past or some of its competitors' foldable devices. The wing weighs 260 grams and measures 169.5 by 74.5 by 10.9 millimeters. The device runs Android 10.0, QoS, supports Wi-Fi 802.11 acres, Bluetooth 5.1, NFC and has a USB-C port, USB 3.1 Gen 1. LG Wing is available in black and bluish colors. Let's have a look at the features of LG Wing. The Swivel. The most transformative experience ever on smartphones. Swivel from a sleek smartphone to a brand new design redefining multi-view and multitasking. See apps horizontally and vertically for a new degree of understanding which no other phone has ever achieved before. The 6.8 inches flawless pulled full vision monitor is a thing of beauty even when it's closed. Immerse yourself in movies with a 21:9 video view. The pop-up camera enables perfect edge viewing, with no selfie cam in the way. Swivel up to show a 3.9 inches gold second screen, and expose impressive new features such as the gimbal motion camera, dual recording and more. Durable hinge movement. The robust hinge movement was designed to rotate smoothly with a researched double guide system. It has undergone 200,000 tests of reliability to ensure it stands the test of time. Water repellent coating. Water repellent coating has been added to allow your phone to withstand splashes, downpours and rain showers. Anti-dust. Anti-dust processing technology guarantees the swivels won't damage your second screen. App experience. The gimbal mode with the second screen is more than a video stabilizer, it looks and behaves just like a gimbal. Watch a video on main screen as your personal remote control using the screen below. Using simultaneous recording, on both sides. And, swipe through your gallery on one screen with the carousel, and the full-sized images on another. Multi-feature multitasking. No flipping between applications anymore. Do two things straight away and be a natural multitasker. While watching a video, you can send your friends a message, check updates, browse the web or go shopping, all without minimizing the screen or interrupting the screen with pop-up windows. Gimbal motion camera. Right in there is complete pro-grade stabilization built in. With the convenient joystick and lock button you are in full control of the pan, tilt, roll and click. There are 4 gimbal modes available, have a look at each of them. Dual recording. Capture what's in front of you and yourself. At the same time, dual recording shoots from the front and rear camera. See both shots as two different images, picture-in-picture or in split screen. Time-lapse control. Time-lapse control understands and speeds up what you're aiming at the perfect time. City scenes are hyper-dynamic, clouds are moving dramatically, and vlogs are normal yet fast. Slow motion. Shoot beautiful, stretched out video of thrilling moments, including your buddy capturing the skate park breeze. Gimbal slow motion wipes out any move, even when the movement is super intense. Triple camera, plus a pop-up camera. 64MP captures vivid images, 13MP ultra-wide suits the entire scene in one shot, and the 12MP ultra-wide gimbal motion camera holds it smooth and sweet. 32MP pop-up camera hides when not in use, then springs into action when you enter selfie mode. All the tools for content creation. The LG Creators Kit gives you everything you need for great videos, podcasts and photoshoots. Now your phone's everything you need to run free for your imagination. Fingerprint sensor. To make contact and swivel simpler and more natural, the fingerprint sensor is built into the display. Payments and the Unlock app also get easier. Processor. The processor in the LG Wing is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G 5G mobile platform. 2nd Gen Snapdragon X52 modem RF system and leading 7nm process technology. It also has the 5th Gen Qualcomm AI engine. The GPU is Qualcomm Adreno. Passed military standard 810G test. Sudden fall, drastic changes in temperature, and there's no problem with your most sloppy moments. It has been put through its paces by the strict military standard 810G testing to ensure it is robust and tough. Battery. You can leave your charger at home with 4000 milliamps. Do the whole day twice that, and still have hours of control before bed. Do you think LG Wing's swivel screen will break the market? Let us know in the comments below. That's all for now. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.